It's Tuesday, the 4th of April 2023. We're travelling south on Windsor Road, Baulkham Hills, approaching the Merindah Road intersection. A white Hyundai I30 is coming up behind us, and the driver seems a little impatient, looking for the best lane to get through the traffic.
Any bank note? From our bank? Is that PID? No, there's a new thing in...
I drop back a little to give the I30 room. That's my policy with impatient drivers.
From going in?
I was trying to block him to pull back, to give him a gap.
The Hyundai is about 150 metres from the lights when they turn amber. The car has already picked up speed and the driver seems to be keen to beat the red. With about 50 metres to go, the lights turn red, but the Hyundai is committed and runs the red.
Give it a push.
So let's have a closer look at that. The driver of the Hyundai seems to commit early, about the same time the lights turn amber. The lights turn red with about 50 metres to go. This driver was just 45 seconds away from instant karma as a highway patrol car crosses the intersection just 45 seconds later.